Let's go ahead and do a sample problem. All right. So for example, let's say you have a business and your sales were 5,000 in 2023. In 2024, your sales are 6,000. Or month to month, either one, doesn't matter. All right. So now we want to figure out what is the percentage change in sales. Okay, so how are we going to do this? Step 1, it's going to be 6 minus 5, which is equal to 1. Step 2 is going to be 1 over 5, because remember 5 was the starting value, right? And 6 was the end value. So 1 over 5 times 100 in order for us to get the percentage, and that answer is 20%. That's all there is to it. So it is not too difficult. It may seem overwhelming to people because no one, I guess maybe our calculators do it for us, right? And basically, we're so a lot of times I think it's difficult for you guys because you're unfamiliar with it, or maybe you've forgotten. They're like, I don't know. You're kind of like, I haven't done this in forever. So it may seem difficult because you all have forgotten how to do something like that, right? Or I think the biggest part is, you may already know this, but then you come across economic jargon or vocabulary, and you kind of get overwhelmed. Because basically, a lot of times, when we deal with concepts in economics, they actually all go back to the percentage change. But I think for a lot of students, I think they just tend to get overwhelmed and not necessarily understand the numbers. All right, so we're going to do one more just to see how you guys are doing with it. All right, so let's say that the price of an iPad is $2,000, or we'll make it $2,000 in 2023 in June. In August, the price of the iPad is $1,500. So they're having a sale, and you might say to yourself, is this a good deal or not? So, yet again, the starting value is 2,000. The end value is 100. So S1 is going to be, or step 1 is going to be 1,500 minus 2,000, which throws people off because they're like, dude, how am I supposed to do this? But either way, it's the formula, right? And the price has gone down, so the percentage change should be negative. So it's 1,500 minus 2,000 over 2,000. Which what I actually have done is combined the two steps together. But if we do it with individual steps, S1 is 1,500 minus 2,000, which is 500. S2 is going to be 500 divided by 2,000. Okay, which is 25%, a 25% drop in the price. So that is the sample problems worked out.